Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect mushrooms in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I need to collect 5 common mushrooms and you need to follow this guide if you want to find the mushrooms. Okay, just follow the guide and then you will find the mushrooms location. Okay, it's right here and you can click on this icon to collect the mushrooms. All right, I've already collected 3 mushrooms and let's find the other mushrooms. Again, we just need to follow the guide. Okay, let's go this way, and I still need 2 common mushrooms. Let's collect it. All right, I've already collected 5 common mushrooms. Okay, guys, and that's how you can collect mushrooms in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.